We are here in Altenbergen, population of 473 if you go on Wikipedia.
Is it really? Wow.
And we are here...
And the cornfield.
And there are about 473 million cornfields. And we're here with Phil Campbell and the Bastard Sons. Do you want to introduce yourselves?
Yeah.
I'm Phil Campbell.
I'm Tyler Campbell.
I'm Dane Campbell.
With the word bastard.
They changed it to bath plug.
So they changed it even a little.
We do manage it quite a few
Illegitimate.
times,
Illegitimate
They
sons,
just
which is
changed
even
it.
worse.
Oh, yeah, right. Just,
That's right.
there's
No ring to that.
if you ever do like secret shows, you could do the butt plug. You know,
Yeah,
instead
yeah.
of bastard sons, the
I
butt
think
plug
I'd be a
sons.
butt plug.
Barstool sons. is another
Barstool
one.
sons, yeah, that works better.
Yeah.
Bath plug is definitely one.
Have you ever played in a place as rural as Altenbergen?
I don't think I have. You might have played.
Probably, yeah. It's probably fairly civilised compared to
Yeah.
who I've done over the years. But it's nice here, yeah, it's nice setup.
With some lovely
I was
food as
actually-
well,
The
don't
food
we?
is fantastic,
very
the
good.
organisers are great. It's a nice location.
I didn't actually see. I was in bed on the way in, so I didn't actually see. I don't know where we are in relation to anything.
Well, if
because
you look, you see cornfields
see
and
any
trees,
food.
and that's about it for about as far as you can go.
50
Really.
miles.
Yeah.
Okay, that's cool.
Yeah, so this is show number 1 of the European tour, and you've got about 15 shows, and you're also promoting your new solo album. I'm guessing.
Yeah.
Is that going to be in the set tonight? Are we going to hear new stuff from that, or?
Yeah, a couple of songs maybe.
A couple of songs. We soundcheck one earlier. It sounded
Yeah,
good. And,
it was okay.
Yeah. Good
If we
crowd
fuck
to
up-
try it out on, you know.
If we
Yeah.
fuck anything up tonight, first gig, only 478 people are going to
Exactly right,
Yeah.
and they'll be too pissed to remember anyway, mate.
Yeah,
So
I think so.
it's Germany, so the crowds are notoriously drunker. Do you guys find Europe and Germany different than say the UK or anywhere
They
else
go
in
a
the
bit
world?
earlier because they got the steins, don't they?
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
true.
They don't waste time, like.
I think definitely compared to the UK, I think even though they like to drink in the UK, as we do, and some other guys do, the crowds they don't get involved as much. I find compared to German crowds.
They like their rock music, though.
Yeah, they love the music.
Well,
yeah.
they do. Yeah, I find it's a mix between. Like metal is pop music over here, you know,
Yeah.
and pop
Yeah.
music is techno. Really, they don't have much of a difference.
Yeah.
They go to the extrems when they play music and when they listen to
Yeah.
music.
Germany was fantastic for all our years at Motorhead.
Yeah.
I bet, yeah.
Got a bit of a soft spot.
Yeah.
Well, yeah.
Yeah.
I was going to say it's do you feel it's different when you're playing with the Suns, or do you still get the
It's a
same
different-
vibe after
it's a
30
different
years?
dynamic, innit? The thing is, like I'm on stage with a kick-ass rock band. And that's the main thing, like.
Yeah, it's great.
You know?
And then the solo album, is that? Do you have? I saw was Dee Snider singing on one of the songs. Who was?
And,
He's on. He's doing the whole album.
No,
there's a whole bunch of different people.
Yeah, it's a surprise. It's out on Nuclear Blast, October the 25th.
There you go. Make sure you grab it. We're in Altenbergen. Do you guys want to give a plug? You know, we are.
Buy his album. Buy
Hey.
our album. We've got
Yeah.
one called The Age of Absurdity, which is pretty good.
Yeah,
I
that's
think.
all right. And we're playing quite a few more shows in Germany throughout the end of the year.
Yeah,
So-
end of November into December, we're back in Germany.
Sounds great.
Yeah.
Well, looking forward to the show tonight, and
Thank you.
get up there and smash it,
great.
and
Yeah.
try some cloven hoof while you're here, because I know you
yes.
boys like it.
He's
So
a fan,
I
he's a
am
big
going to enjoy
fan.
some.
we made sure there's plenty here just for you boys. So
Fantastic.
enjoy.
Thanks
Thank you very much.
Have a good one. Cheers.